Hello, Jeonju. I will talk to you about the best attraction for tourists in South Korea. First, I think all tourists should visit Lotte World. Lotte World is in Jamsil, is near Seoul. Lotte World is a great attraction because you can play in there. At Lotte World, you can ride very many playthings. For example, roller coaster. Second is Hotel Beach. Hotel Beach is in Jeju. Hotel Beach is a great attraction because there has horse-shaped lighthouse. At Hotel Beach is photodrome, so you can take live photo. Third, Myeongdong Shopping Street is in Myeongdong. Is in Seoul. Myeongdong is a great attraction because you can eat many things. At Myeongdong Shopping Street, you can shop. There are my top attractions in Korea. I hope you have a great vacation. Thank you for listening.